Hi guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Nanda. I'll show you how to clean air filter. Firstly, prepare the tools and my object. The tool we use are air compressor and air gun, and the object used is Toyota Kijang 5K series. Open the air cover by rotating the fastener nut and unlocking the lock. Then remove the air filter lid. And then remove the air filter lid, lift air filter from housing. Clear the air filter by using pressure air. Put pressure using the compressor and air gun from the inside. Cannot be done from outside because it will make the dirt go in it. All cleansing steps are done. Thanks for watching.
Hello bro, my name is Muhammad Iqbal. Now I am going to tell you how to measure of spark plug virus. The first step, we prepare the tool to use a multi-tester. The second step is to remove the spark plug virus from the distributor lid and spark plug. The next step is to adjust multi-tester on a 1000 ohm scale. Plug the two multi-tester cable on both ends of the spark plug wires. Read the appointment of measurement in multi-tester. Do the sum to check other spark plug wires. Okay bro, that was how to measure of spark plug wires.
Hi, I'm Dimas. I'm going to tell you how to change the coolant in your car. When changing the coolant, don't forget to turn off the engine and then open your engine cap. First, release the radiator cap. The radiator cap can be released by rotating counterclockwise. Second, put the basin to under radiator. Make sure the basin is just below the drain radiator. Third, open drain radiator. The drain radiator can be opened by rotating counterclockwise. And be careful, because the coolant will be spilled to the basin. After that, replace radiator in the receiver.
Take the receiver and replace the coolant. Pour the coolant appropriate the specification the engine. Next, pour radiator coolant into radiator until filling and start the engine. When the radiator is filling, start the engine. Wait 4 minutes and turn off the engine. The last, close the radiator cap again. Rotate the radiator cap clockwise. Okay, that was how to change the coolant in your car. Thanks for watching.
Now in here I want to tell you how to measure spark plug clearance. The first step is preparing tools and materials. Dust cloth, filler kit, spark plug, and sandpaper. Then for cleaning treatment with sandpaper. Next, measuring spark plug using filler kit. Spark plug clearance specification 0.8 mm. Finally, tidying tools and materials. Okay friends, that was how to measure spark plug clearance. Thanks for watching.
My name is Ade Viyan. I will show you how to check engine oil. First thing to do, prepare your tools. The tool is cleaning cloth. Now let's go start. Let us open the hood of the car by unlocking from the cabin, and we can just open this hood. Now let's go start. We can pull this and we can move the hood of the engine. Attach the retaining hood to keep hood in the position open. Then let's see the amount of the engine oil. This is the location of the engine oil stick. We remove the oil stick first, and we should cleaning it before we check the engine oil. Down, and we put again the oil stick to know the amount of the mark that is on the end of the oil stick. Next, look at the sink of the end. This is the minimum and this is the maximum limit, and the mark is the still at the safe limit is here. If the oil is below the mark minimum, it must be done the addition of oil and check whether there is leakage of the engine oil. The addition of oil is done through the filling hole on the top of the machine.
This is the location.
The last step, close car hood tightly. So that's all. I hope that will can be help you all. Thank you for watching and see you.
Guys, I'm Rifqi. Okay, I will share the tip to check and set the valve clearance. Valve clearance is so important for your engine. Why? Because if the valve clearance is so loose, then the valve open so late and close too fast. So it can cause noisy and vibration. If the valve is so narrow, the valve open is early and close so slowly, setting the return of ignition. So we prepare the tool. First is filler gauge, 0.2 millimeter, filler gauge 0.3 millimeter, ring wrench 12, ring wrench 19, and then screwdriver. Okay, I will tell you. Make sure the engine is Kijang 3K engine and valve mechanism firing order is 1, 3, 4, and 2. Remove the cylinder head cover nut. Firing wrench 12 inch. Lose the nut that hold the cylinder cover. After that, release the cylinder head cover. Okay. Look at the front pulley. Pulley is located in front of engine, basically behind the radiator. This radiator. In the pulley there, timing mark which will carry out the timing mark on the cylinder block. Set the top dead center. Roll the crankshaft using the ring 19 wrench until the mark on the crankshaft pulley exactly match on the number 0 on the timing chain cap or cylinder block. This is the timing mark. It is matched, and which determine the top cylinder compression 1 or 4 can be done in a way. At time turning the crankshaft while reaching in valve where the cylinder is moving. Look at the in valve of push rod, in valve of cylinder 1 or 4 while moving the crankshaft pulley. This top 4 cylinder like that. It's loose. And then choose the valve with build, check and set. Determine which valve might be adjusted at the top of cylinder compression valve. This is done by looking in the diagram or table in the cylinder work process. Use filler gauge to check valve and gap size is 0.2 mm for in valve and 0.3 mm for X valve. This 0.3 is for X valve. It is here, and then this, and then 0.2 for in. To set the valve clearance, loosen the nut using ring wrench 12. Insert the filler gauge into the gap between the rocker arm and the valve stem. Make adjustment by altering or tightening or relaxing the adjusting bolt with a screwdriver. Once the gap is correct, take down and retain the knot while holding the adjusting bolt to keep it from moving.
the valve clearance again. Close the cylinder head cover again, then install the other components.
And then check the engine sound. Check the sound. The sound is good. It means it's success. Okay, those are the steps and tips. I hope it's meaningful for you and useful for you. Okay, thanks for watching. See you.